Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're diving into a mini machine that packs serious power. It's compact, it's fast, and it's built for gaming. This is the ROG NUC 2025. Don't be fooled by the size. This little box is a beast. Let's start with the gaming experience. This thing was made to play hard. It's powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 9185H processor. It's got 16 cores and 22 threads. Paired with it is a desktop-grade NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. That's not a laptop. It's GPU. That's full power. This combo gives you top-tier gaming performance. You can run AAA titles on ultra settings at 144p with smooth frame rates. Even 4K gaming is possible on many titles with DLSS 3 enabled. Cyberpunk, Elden Ring, Red Dead Redemption 2, all of them run beautifully, no stutters. Also supports real-time ray tracing. Shadows, lighting, and reflections look stunning. And thanks to DLSS 3.5, the AI upscaling makes gameplay smooth even when you crank everything to max. The NUC stays cool under pressure, which is impressive for such a tiny unit. Thermals are handled by a smart cooling system. It uses vapor chamber cooling and dual fans. The airflow is optimized to keep heat moving out quickly, even after long hours of gaming. The CPU and GPU stay within safe limits. The fans get loud under load. But that's expected with this much performance in a compact chassis. For esports players, this is great too. Games like Valorant, Apex Legends, and CS2 run well over 240 FPS at 108p. Pair this with a high refresh rate monitor and you're ready to dominate. Input latency is low, and frame pacing is consistent. Now, about creative work. The ROG NUC 2025 isn't just a gaming rig. It's also great for content creators. The RTX 4070 handles 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and motion graphics without breaking a sweat. You can edit high-resolution timelines in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro with smooth playback. Exports are fast too. The CPU handles multitasking like a champ. You can run heavy software, open dozens of tabs, stream in 4K, and everything still stays snappy. Whether you're working with large photo batches in Lightroom or building scenes in Blender, this machine delivers. Let's talk design. The ROG NUC 2025 keeps things sharp and sleek. It's small, about the size of a thick book, but it feels premium. The chassis is built from metal and high-quality plastic. There's RGB lighting on the front, subtle, it's not flashy, and it adds to the gamer aesthetic. It's easy to carry or move around. You can toss it in a backpack and take it to a LAN party or a friend's place. This is perfect for gamers who don't have space for a big tower, but still want real power. Upgradability is simple. Inside, you have two SODIMM RAM slots, supporting up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5. There are two M2 slots for storage, both Gen 4. One is already occupied, and the other is free. Swapping parts is tool-free and fast. You don't need to take everything apart. Now, let's go into ports. On the front, you get USB-C, USB-A, and a headphone jack. On the back, you get multiple display outputs, including HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4. You also get several USB 3.2 ports, 2, 5G Ethernet, and Thunderbolt 4. This means you can hook up multiple monitors, high-speed storage, and even external GPUs if needed. For wireless, it comes with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. That gives you future-proof connectivity. Wi-Fi speeds are fast and reliable. Online gaming and streaming feel smooth, even on wireless. Let's talk about the software side. The ROG NUC runs Windows 11 out of the box. It comes with Armoury Crate pre-installed. That's where you can manage fan profiles, RGB, performance modes, and software updates. You can switch between silent, balanced, or turbo modes depending on your needs. It also supports virtualization, which is useful if you're running test environments or want to dual boot other operating systems. Security is solid too. You get TPM 2.0 BIOS level protections In Windows, hello support through external webcams or fingerprint readers. Now battery life. Well, there's none. It's a desktop-class device after all. But it uses far less power than a full-size gaming PC. Power consumption sits between 150 to 250 watts depending on load. That's efficient, especially considering what you get from it. The audio isn't built in like a laptop, but it does support high-res audio through the headphone jack and HDMI pass-through. You'll get good sound quality if you use external speakers or headphones. Many users will pair this with a USB DAC or gaming headset anyway. Let's get into the value. The ROG NUC 2025 isn't cheap, but it's a great value when you compare it to building a compact gaming PC with similar specs. You save space, get portability, and still enjoy high-end performance. It fits into workspaces, dorm rooms, and small apartments with no issue. Now the pros. You get incredible gaming performance in a small form factor. The RTX 4070 and Core Ultra 9 combo is powerful. You get fast storage, upgrade options, great thermals, and excellent port selection. It supports high-end gaming, creative work, and multitasking. And it looks clean on a desk. Now, the cons. It's a bit expensive. The fans get loud when under load. There's no built-in audio or camera. And even though it's compact, it's still tied to a power outlet, so it's not for mobile use like a laptop. Also, upgrades are limited to RAM and storage. So what's the verdict? The ROG NUC 2025 is for gamers and creators who want top-tier power in a tiny space. It's great for competitive play, immersive AAA gaming, and professional editing. If you want a clean, compact setup without losing power, this is one of the best choices right now. That's it for today's review. If you liked this breakdown, hit like and subscribe to Tap Tech. We've got more gear reviews and tech updates coming soon. See you in the next one.